In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Forms effectively. As you embark on learning this great feature of Asana, a project management tool, remember that these forms can be a powerful way to streamline your workflow and gather essential information efficiently. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and type in asana.com into the address bar. Once you arrive at the homepage, if you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up using your preferred method, whether that's through Google, Microsoft, or your email address. For those who already have an account, simply sign in using your login credentials. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your Asana dashboard. This is where you can view your current projects and tasks. To use forms, you'll need to have a project where you can add one. Select the project that you want to work on, or create a new project if needed. To create a new project, look for a plus sign or a Create button on the left side of your screen and follow the prompts to name and customize your new project. Once inside the project, locate the Forms tab or option in the project menu, which should be on the upper or left side of the screen. This menu allows you to access different features related to your projects. Click on Forms, and you will see an option to create a form. Click on it, and here the real fun begins. Now, you'll see the Form Builder interface. This is where you can start adding fields to your form. Typically, you'll have the option to choose from several field types such as text fields, drop-down menus, checkboxes, and more. Click on your preferred field type, and it will automatically appear in your form. Be sure to give each field a clear and descriptive name so that form respondents know exactly what information is being asked for. After building your form, review it to ensure that all necessary fields are included and that instructions or placeholders are clear to the users. Once satisfied with the form structure, click on the Share Form option, usually indicated by a link icon or a share button. This will generate a link that you can copy and send to your form participants. Finally, when participants start completing the form, their responses will automatically populate as tasks within your selected project. Each form submission will create a new task, helping you organize and prioritize incoming information effectively. This not only reduces manual entry work, but also ensures every submission is systematically tracked. And there you have it. You're well on your way to mastering Asana Forms, adding a new level of organization and efficiency to your project management toolkit. Enjoy streamlining your processes and exploring the full potential of Asana Forms.